Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the major SEO mistakes one could do while trying to optimize their website, web page, or a blog site or a e-com website. And the basic things that one should avoid while optimizing their website are listed over here. And I'm going to talk about them one by one. The number one, the biggest mistake that people could do here is keyword stuffing. Now, we all know the importance of keywords, and while you are doing your keyword research, you will come up with a list of various keywords that are applicable in your industry. You have researched various competitors' website, you have used various tools, and you come to a conclusion that these are the websites or keywords that these competitors are ranking for. Now, you would like to compete against those competitors for those keywords. And as a result, what some people do is whatever content they have created, they will just place those keywords at random places on their website or the content they have created. Now, it tricks Google in understanding that this topic is relevant to the audience or searcher's query because it has so many keywords. But the goal of the SEO is to provide relevant information, a useful information that could help the audience. But the person who has done this is thinking otherwise. That person is thinking, I just want to fool the search engine so that it is ranked higher based upon the amount of keywords, not according to the usefulness of information. And once Google finds out, it could penalize the website which has included those doorway pages that consist of unnecessary usage of keywords. So avoid that at all costs. The next mistake one could do is using wrong keywords. Now, I have already told about that. When you come up with the list of keywords, not everything is applicable to your content. For example, you want to sell running shoes. Now, it consists of two words, running and shoes. Now, just you want your website to rank higher, you, you will say hiking shoes or biking shoes, which might not be applicable to your content, but since it contains the word shoes, you want to rank higher. So person who is looking for hiking shoes, you don't want your content to show to those people. Now, people think that it would help rank their website better, but think about it, what goal it's going to fulfill, because that person who is looking for hiking shoes is not going to buy from you because you are selling running shoes. So avoid this. Do not use wrong keywords that might not make even any kind of sense to your business or objective. The third mistake that encompasses everything is fooling the search engine. Whatever activity you are trying to do, ensure you are not trying to fool the search engine by using clickbaits or keyword stuffing, thin content, and other things that we have discussed in the previous videos. The moment search engines find that you are trying to fool them, they could penalize you, they could stop your website from ranking in the search engine, and you might not be able to run ads for your campaigns. So keep that in mind. The next mistake SEO people or SEO personals do is that they are not learning other disciplines. Now, we have talked about Google Search Console and understanding that as what web pages are driving more traffic, and then optimizing your web page or website accordingly is more fruitful, more useful for your business. See how learning website design can help you, where exactly you would like to place titles, what's the audience or visitors eye movements would look like, or where they would be focusing more on your website, and where you want to strategically place those elements that could drive conversions is what I am talking about here. If you learn all these disciplines, you will be a great SEO professional, because now you know that all these disciplines intermingle together to bring fruitful results, which means higher conversions and higher revenue for your organization, for your clients, and for your business.